Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a playlist on YouTube. When visiting youtube.com, make sure that you are signed in into the right Google account where you want to create the playlist. Once you have found a video that you want to put in a playlist, at the bottom of the video, click the save button. A box will pop up with a different options, choosing watch later to a default watch later playlist, which you can access from your YouTube home screen. If you have previously created a playlist, it will also appear as an option. In this case, we will choose this playlist. Title it whatever you want if you are creating a new playlist. Then you have to choose your privacy setting. If it's public, anyone can search or find your playlist. An unlisted playlist can only be viewed by others who have the link to that playlist, and a private playlist will be only visible to you. For this example, we are going to choose unlisted and then click on create. Your video has now been added to your newly created playlist. You can find your playlist on your YouTube home screen on the left hand side. Here's the one we just created. When you click on it, you will find all of your videos that you have added. You can manage several settings from this page. You can edit the title of the playlist and add a description. The three-dot menu will allow you to add video to this playlist, add all the videos to a different playlist, or allow collaboration to add videos to the playlist. Other features include embedding and deciding the video orders in your playlist. You can also delete a playlist here. This arrow button allows you to share your playlist. Since this one is unlisted, only people who have access to this link will be able to watch the videos added to the playlist. And this button here allows you to shuffle play through your videos. On mobile, what you have to do is just tap on save at the bottom of the video, and you can change it whatever playlist you want to save. I want to save in this. Just tap on it and click on done. You will find this playlist by tapping on library, and you can see here I saved the video in this one, and here it is. I hope you found this video helpful. If it is, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.